here, Krista Hermance. So, do you have kids in college? Do you have access to all of their information? So there is what's called the Family Education Rights and Privacy Act, also known as FERPA. And what this does is it basically just protects their information. When kids go to college, they've turned 18 at this point. But when they enter that higher level of education, parents no longer have access to their personal information. So what is this going to include? This is going to include what grades are they getting? If there's been any disciplinary actions, billing information, financial aid data. So this is all their protected personal information. So as parents, you would expect, of course, especially if you're paying for it, you have the rights to this. Well, you don't with these privacy rights. There is one exception, and that is if they are dependent student, meaning that you claim them on your taxes through the IRS, that they are dependent, then you still have access to it. But there is an easier way, right? If your kids want you to be able to have access because they need to be able to sign it, there's what's called a FERPA waiver or release. And you can go to your child's college website and search FERPA, and there should be a waiver on there that would say that yes, you want your kid wants you to be able to call the school to be able to get information. If they need, if the parents need to talk to faculty, or find out what's going on with billing, this just makes it easier. Then that way you don't have to provide that tax return that shows that they are a dependent student of yours, and because you would have to do it every year. Whereas the FERPA release, once you sign it, until it's revoked, you would have access to be able to see the information. So I hope this gives you some more information on, just things to think about. This isn't something that a lot of times parents will think about until something comes up and they need it. And then it's going to make it harder for them to be able to access it. So I have a free printable I would love to share with you. It's for parents, and it's for kids going away to college, right? Different things to think about. So make sure to click the link to be able to download that free copy of that for you. Thank you so much. Have a great day.